Friends, how are you? Hope you are fine now. So friends, today I'm going to show you the Theta Network live price prediction. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon for new video notification. So friends, let's see the Theta Network live price predictions. Okay, let's see the live price prediction. Oh my goodness, Theta Network holders, congratulations. I am the also Theta Network holders. It's a very good news for all Theta Network holders. Oh, you are watching now the change of Theta Network plus 1,500 and etc. Very high amount of change in the Theta Network you are watching now at this time, and that is the 22 March 2021 you are watching now, and that is the live price prediction of last hour you are watching now. And oh my god, you are watching now the high rate $9.749. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I never saw this type of change in any cryptocurrencies. So again, I am showing you the cryptocurrencies live price prediction of Theta Network. On the graph you are watching now are going up, as you can see now the are going up with a high speed, with a very high speed. You are watching now at this time they are in the rate of $9 at this time. You are watching now here they are $9 here. You are watching $9 here. That's time the last hour you are watching the price is $9 of Theta Network. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button now for this good news. Thank you so much, and wait for next cryptocurrencies live price prediction video.